Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to cancel your Plus500 account in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new trading platform or just taking a break from trading, canceling your account is easier than you might think. Plus500 is a popular online trading app, but sometimes you need to say goodbye. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step clearly and quickly, so you can get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you're ready to cancel. This means closing any open trades or positions to avoid complications. Once that's sorted, log in to your Plus500 account using your email and password. If you can't remember your details, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once you're logged in, head over to the account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. Look for a section labeled Account Management, or something similar. It might say Settings or Profile. In there, scroll down until you see an option for Close Account or Cancel Account. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your identity, often with a verification code sent to your email or phone. Next, Plus500 might ask why you're leaving. It's optional, but providing feedback can help improve their services. After that, review any final details, like outstanding balances or fees. If everything looks good, hit the Confirm Cancellation button. You'll likely get an email confirmation right away, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, once your account is canceled, you might not be able to reactivate it easily, so double-check before you proceed. If you run into any issues, Plus500 has customer support available through their website or app. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. See you in the next video.